Awuphethe uMalacoste ilengwenya ngene emanzini yahamba ngenyanga.
Asho bafethu fizo di jokes bathi FIZO bathi stay tuned ngizama esikoleni igqoke tuning.
Mina big event like let's say an event, let's say
Advert.
Yeah, like a ShopRite advert. You say
lene kabunhlelena
hamba wena hamba
ule ukuthi usha umntana nge DNA.
So yini so wena una right to find out kwamele
Awusithola sipusha imoto lapha amatayera. Senzani sipusha amatayera. Shathaze on inkangale zayo. Angithola ama-ali, ama-top.
Ngamathitha siyapusha but bafethu mina I'm against the reasonality.
Unlike to
And then akhona into enye esingasiza singadepend nje on the policies. Ngithola nathi bafethu siyazi ukuthi labantu nathi singabantu bazali bantu bakumafezana. Bafethu ubhekana abantwana bakini hayi ukuthi akazalwa umama yakho nobaba bakho ungamnaki phela it does not to take care of them. Ngithola
mina esinakekelani noma ungamazi
yo word of the day I ain't gonna let your success talk for you.
Yo, what up YouTube? We're back again on a second episode. You know the vibe, you know the banger. This is the Mark Podcast.
Boy bafethu
Awuphethe uMalacoste ilengwenya ngene emanzini yahamba ngenyanga.
Ansala njani mina?
Sifetha amaguest amaningi namhlanje bafethu ngizinabona vele. Sifethe ingwenya. Lapha ngabona bandana.
Asho bafethu fizo di jokes bathi FIZO bathi stay tuned ngizama esikoleni igqoke tuning.
Saba the vibe. So yeah, ngingongitshela ngawo ukuthi niyenza ngani ngiyongishilo ukuthi ngibani.
Sinathi ngabantu abajiva yabona nesha lezi zinto lezi.
Uyawazi mfethu thina vele yazidume ngehlombe yawena kutsa yawena khekhe
ngiyamtshela inspired la ukuthi ngiqale into zokujiva.
Into zokujiva for mina personally uLimpopo boy. Cause la nika uyahamba mfethu yasuka yabo
kompo wise ngithola
so no uyajiva
yeah definitely ngithola maka mina ngijiva lapho nalapho shuma ngiyabantshontsha ngithola.
So any big events like ngene attend na uyajiva khona esikoleni you have events.
Mina big event like let's say an event, let's say
Advert.
Yeah, like a ShopRite advert. You say
lene kabunhlelena
hamba wena hamba
definitely inkinga ukuthi yabona bayasivalela abafaka abalungu phambili ngithola sifaka le
inkinga ngalokho ama-brand amakhulu
singabantu abamnyama baba abasicabangi basifaka emuva bafaka belungu
ngithola.
So it's like that.
So nina senisipane nabantu abaphidi bafethu sipane nabo kunhle so this year sibhekele ukuthi nisipane nabo bani
Yo amfethe mongathi waffles umfethe yo ayakukhuluma
Yo waffles okay maka
into ezenza guys.
Yeah sure and
waffles.
Waffles and into so into sa host ngithola host empty after party ngithola. So ama special guest azobe khona kube noMdu TRP father figure much more bazoza ngithola.
So line up enhle
siyazama
siyazama uphusha mfethu
mara ngiyajabula nje
Ini leyo komthi yakhona.
Bephusha ngalo
August.
Yeah,
July ma reposters ka keep ma rizophuma next month ngithola.
So ngiyawasha ama dance battles like us.
Vele into esidume ngayo
Awuzathi dance back gospel.
Ziyawa la mfethu
ziyawa kumshungu
uthola intwana zithi ngiyakuthola kushaya into on and wesi hostile vele kwenye indawo vele
So like is it a private location or it's a public location?
Yeah, it's a public location. Anyone is
man hostel like in hostel
maybe hostel emapakini. Yeah.
So ngena hostel after Michelle.
Yeah.
Well, I remember we were in M2K there was NH9 pagini.
Yeah. Sike sa hostel Michelle Park, Uval Park, nase Park C. Park C. You go.
yeah.
I'm sure man qeda kosta lapha nje isitoko ngoba ngiyazi bachaza.
Kasikunenesitoko nje. Mina kuba
Abona leyo
Sikhathalisa nabafazi.
afuna ukuyikhuluma
awuyikhatha nje nganozwise nje.
For this sitoko sabe sitholakele obvious ayikasi vele kugcwele.
Because mina ngizwa vele smash.
ngithola ekasi ngithola inkinga yabasekasi ngithola
Labantwana nkinga banedrop.
uzale hifa and abanye bakhona mfethu athini ngokuthengelwa nje 6 pack ebese vuka phezulu kwe 6 pack
Jengi 6 pack uqedile vele uyathi.
ngithola maqeda uvuka phezulu kwe 6 pack umntwana STI
Yo, HIV usasho STI. Nje kuyabanda and bayamitha la.
yo and about also me hey my child is still coming junior fizo ngiyadala yo
And then there is this thing ukuthi okay lima umshayele like athathe ingcosi athe yakho ingayona yakho niyake niyibone
Because mostly like you guys like a group, you know. So many group kanje kula majita lesale ngcoso uthola ukuthi ingcosi lana igcinywe ngomunye umuntu ongasowara.
yo
nimsiza kanjani outside ke makule situation.
aboma kule situation personal
Mina njami yazi ngakeza ngaka-advise as Ibrahim ukuthi njami hayi baye test igazi lakho ubona ukuthi niyaxhumana kanjani. Akazi babe kubamba iphisi
mara yacava abanye abogela abayifunde ukuthi unushaya umntana nami nge-DNA
so yini so wena una right ukuthi find out kwamele
Kumele ufunde awumele
I right unawo to make sure ukuthi uwo ubaba umntwana ngoba uwo osupporta ngisho.
sure
Maka kumele ne right ukufind out.
lobamba ibhanje egoli hayi
adoda kuyatholakala she ungasho kanjalo
Mostly
doda
like umjida mawumbonisa isekala nobamba ibhashi umjida usuka kwade ubone ngathi umambela phambili into.
yeah
Usuka nga-understand ukuthi amajida zami ukumbonisa
but at the end of the day is the truth though.
mtawini kari alpha
I no don't worry it's strategy
abo baba belu sobashaya ngempama
awona baba benu
yeah
so bafethi nabo abantu abangamantombazana abajivayo abakugroup yenu or ujiva ngaba out kuphela
like thina group in C3 at the moment yimi La Costa Fizare Jokes
So inegama
no King Danger
yeah inegama ama XOD
Extreme Oriental Dancers
that's the meaning mara nakhona we looking forward on looking on dancers
Yeah.
expanding especially on female dancers you see
yeah
so seningasho ukuthi niyabadinga ama-female dancers
yeah
because
definitely
leaders create also leaders
we want to create leaders yangithola thina sifuna ukuvalela phandle we not doorkeepers
No.
yangithola
Nivulela wonke
siyavulela yangithola
yeah
and it's a good thing because ekasi laba fethu sokukaningi sokumele sivulelane ama-chances sokaningi amajida sivalelana sifundezelana sokumele now time ukuthi sivukeni sonkeni
yeah definitely
siye phambili
it's fine
and into ebuhlungu ukuthi ni ngeke singene ngendlela eyi-one sonke angithola kwamele singene different ways and into esingasinceda ukuthi singene kanjalo sibambane bantu ngangithola
today
mara mostly lana ekasi like abantu abambana ngoba even sike sabona labantwana nabashayana nabase-Bellevue ubone le video yabo bashayana
oh it's
definitely
we know that one
and omunye wangikhona
no
manje umgala msekhuzile
yena wakhohlwa ukuthi le ngane ezinye zasfollow
okay yeah
mara ungabathinti kakhulu
singakhuluma ngayo
mara leli personal
mara ungabathinti kakhulu mara
Alright, bathinte kancane nje ufuna baqheka nje.
all I can say you fail that's
and there's this thing yokuthi bathi mabadelela la kuthiwa i-meet up nge-Friday okay hlangana nathi shaya mara do you think it's a good thing like ukuthi abantu aba-encourage lento leyo kulo
and into ebuhlungu ukuthi nabantwana into yenziwa abantwana bakabi mature
find out ukuthi ngabantwana abana 14 15
imagine and it's girls
abantombazana omunye umshot bamshapa cabana
and the funny part ukuthi labo babashayana ngibone bathi bavayile court whatever
shangambama
just imagine if umntana omncane ona 15 sekane criminal record for ukuthi bebashayana and ungathi bashayana for you out
definitely
umntwana ona-15 sekakwazi kuleli out manje yabo ukuthi izinto seziyatshentsha manje
i-generation yamanje babhorakala kabi yabona thina ngey'nkathi zethu oho awusithola siphusha imoto lapha amatayera siyenzani siphusha
kutase-on kangale
angithola ama-ali amatopa manje ungambona wena ungalidweba
I'm sure abawazi nama-ali kawu namatopa abazazi
abazazi lezi bazazi ngey'nkulu
bayazi uFacebook yazi uFacebook yo hayi ngiyathemthela abantu hayi okay hayi
nangiyazi masport seshitele kazi la ngiyabona nje kwenzakalayo
and i-Facebook evarile seyijoyine ngabantwana abancane kakhulu i-Facebook ne-groove mina ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalezi zinto lezi i-groove kakhulu se-attendwa ngabantwana abancane like abantwana abana-16 futhi akakafiki ne-18
14
akakafiki ne-18 mara seka-attend i-groove sekayodliwa e-groove
yo
just imagine futhi bamshaya ibhandi lo mntwana odliwa ngabantu abayi-6
njengoba bengisho ukuthi nje ezinye izinto
you can't miss i-opportunity ndoda i-opportunity angeke uziye
no girl no
into futhi bengisho omunye bamthengele 6 pack evuka phezu kwe-6 pack nje ngenxa yento encane nje yabona le
emncane leyo mntwana cha umncane nomntwana
so the solution yazi yini mfafethu that's why thina senza le program leyo yomshunqo street battles because to keep them the kids what busy
ukuthi bangangeni izinto lezi
angithi bona bafuna lo mdriver otshwala thina umdriver
civilized clean and it's a competition and one
that's a good thing eniyenza like Satan pick up
ya kule battle lena esiplan ukuyenza 7 June there will be a prize for the win definitely so izama
so bafethu joina nonke lapho ema groups bathumela ama video babone nabo ukuthi khona ibattle ezayo forum ini igroup igama le group
Mshunqo Street Battles
bafethu kune event ezayo ngoJune big up bafethu asibustane ndane kasi let's all attend it sambe sobona ukuhamba kanjani
ngithola and for ama female dancers you'll get a chance to join ama XOD and tell your friends to tell their friends
let's just keep ourselves busy
ngithola
wesijayive ntwana yami
sibe busy siyeke lezinye izinto zama-drugs siyeke i-crime you know crime ayikhokhi
yekelani ingoma
bafana seyimoshe abantu abaningi
ayamosha
sizidiyekela kunjani
umuntu okhule nayo kawumanje angeke usambona ukuthi nohuye encika ukuthi incika mfethu iyalimaza leya nto
inyawupe astrapheni ye-chip
izalilemaza bafana
inyawupe izalilemaza bafana danke
okay ngiyajabula bafethu if nikwazi ukuboost ikasi nijayivisa abantwana niphusha ama-event mina encourage ukuthi keep on pushing bafethu kusaya fair siphusheni shaye ima-battles lawa
for street battles tune any podcast
sure definitely and they also thola namanye ama-dancers angithola nama-version angithola
new
from
version of dancers and new style new everything
ngithola and bafethu please expect something from us angithola comedy nyana angithola saplana something
asiphelelanga
usamatu wayesithi la jama maye faka tu pezwe
bodlela
uthola bayi
zuluke
sikipi
babalazi
danko
siyoboyela Costa and Pizza Joseph Petuna bathi
Post boy
yeah sure you know got the friends of the show second episode you know it's a bang it's a vibe don't forget to like and subscribe so push a lento
danke
like I'm trying
yeah show bafethu I'm here with you
fethu go spoiler bafethu
the jokes
iphethe umdura kayi-1 degrees emu
bethu langwenya la Costa
away bafethu back from the break nazi phethe ikhosi nadola lapha we running this thing bafethu then yabona sekasa amadazile and then they're pulling through we love the vibe bafethu love the vibe
yeah show bafethu lapha sidota but ukuthi nithuka ikasa but kule indication eyi-1 efuke ibusa sihleli singamajika bafethu
zwana la
tonlilaleli okay into yami kanje zime kanje bafethu look the question one siyazi ngamajita siyapusha but bafethu mina I'm against gangsterism nality
gangsterism guys not right
sure
ayikho
ini mina ngimzwanga kahle utheni
ndim I'm about gangsterism what you say about gangsterism ekhasi
lento lezi ama gang nani
gang
yeah ziflop lezi yazi
sorry isilungu okay aziflop kakhulu bafethu angifo udlulise bra
mfethu like gangsterism in a hood ne something vele abantu abayiqhakathekisela kakhulu because vele ba ikasi lethu ne is known well for its crime not for its talent yeah
bafu
ayi indaba gangsterism then ish hayi
I very sense sibe speechless because vele like us vele ikasi lethu laziyo ngoba ngecrime
i-gangsterism sesitshintshe yaba into ekhona like sekuyinto ecommon like even lentwana encane sejoyina ama-gang ka unganaki ukuthi mangakawugang owabona la ku-Facebook wabona kufika maningi ama-gangs and amanye ama-gangs sigrupa up ngento ezibhedayo sigrupa up ngotshwala sigrupa up ngento ezibhedayo kunokuthi simotivatane futhi sibe ngabantu abangcono thina sigrupa up to intweni ezibhedayo uyangibona leyo nto
and into ebuhlungu ukuthi like the past 2 months or past month angithola it was found they found that three UJ students killed a schoolboy just for Inavi cabanga just for his igqoko
yeah ngiyalizwa bafethu le ring arithuma ukuthi abafana bathi balimazana bakhawadana bandla but instead lasenza ukuthi lithi how can you stop this thing gangsterism angazi ukuthi ke nimbone nithini bafethu
I mean what I can say ne they must hire cops who are dedicated to do their work not corrupt cops unlike
and then akhona into enye esingasiza singadepend nje on the policies ngithola nathi bafethu siyazi ukuthi labantu nathi singabantu bazali bantu bakumafezana bafethu ubhekana abantwana abakini hayi ukuthi akazalwa umama yakho nobaba bakho ungamnaki phela it does not you don't have to take care of a person
ngoba uzalwa naye
ngiyangithola
kumele umnakekele umuntu futhi lento le enye into futhi yenza gangsterism ibe more people think gangsterism is a good thing because kuyafana ne fighting violence ku-Facebook is being promoted, ku-Instagram is being promoted like abantu they are thinking it's a nice thing wonke labo cameramen abantu bayala unibhizi uyashoot.
No, people are getting content bro because of this thing. They're getting content.
I don't think you should take the content entweni ezinjalo. I-content yes i-right but kumele uthole ngendlela ezi-right. Just imagine lo muntu lo bamshaya after 10 years yakazibheka athi yo bebangishaya la ufuna lo muntu uzoba right.
Angeke.
Uzoba right. And omunye umuntu seka end up azibulala for
leyo.
And ugcina usola wona oshutile.
Mina bafethu ipoint engaba la about gangsterism iwa ngidesicelo ni about amapolice isap
lali limile lapho listage
wala bafethu siwa esokuthi yacela why they didn't bengamisi abantu abanjani abathengisa ama drugs estrategy enje ngiyazi singamajita sinje ndo poster lo di jokes la bazipushe into zabo zomjayivo but into esingayifuni bafethu ngiyani ukhawadana isicelo silazo ayivele ona di jokes dlala nguzo khuluma usithi ye when we are from Zimbabwe akusitele kahle ona kathi vele kaso wako
lamtajuba cotton camera.
Okay bafethu mina bafethu ngiphume Natal bafethu Newcastle eMbabane ngumfana waseMbabane ke mina ke bafethu ningathi kodwa mina bomkhandlo ayisithathela kubi ngathi ngazitholela vele umfazi hey thambo thando mgazora
amfana ongawari mfana zamisa ngalo
manje nje usisuka eKZN mawakhuluma isindebele ba
Kari bafethu nangikhulelele yuvele so my whole life njoba ngingaka 19 years yonke la Juve born and bred General Hospital ngathi la Hillbrow Anthola so bafethu and Juve ngeke ngishiye kanjalo bafethu from eqaleni isase fresh yabona nje manje imosheke ngenye indlela Juve and the crime big
crime is operating
big and bafethu ningathuswa icrime manize yithi bafethu feel free ni safe maniza kithi njoba nibona namajita amvele Ngidlalela umathanda. Uyayithola?
manje bafo nje uma bechasana lathi bathi nasichaya ama-drugs wona usithini ngakho khona lokho
Nah, man.
mina ntshaye ama-drugs mina
Not people like those, ne. Not people like those, ne. Why get a web charge, nigga? Let them judge you. Let your work speak for you. Let me tell you something.
And bafethu into vele ekhona yazini. Ngeke uzuphumelela abantu bangakakujaji bangakakhulumi ngegama lakho.
Yeah, that's how you see that you're trending.
Success izoba lapha ngithola the minute uzubhlungu ubone ukuthi hey ngathi angisena vele empilweni yami. Don't lose hope, man. Don't lose hope. Impilo umnandi.
but yona samamuka athi uphuma kwephi ka
Mina I'm Zimbabwean.
Zimbabwean.
I'm Zimbabwean. I was born in Bulawayo.
So
in Bulawayo. Yeah, wena. Hey, tulani lale.
Ulamanga uphumela uveve.
Lawe.
Tonga leli.
Yazana.
bafo
Akathule laleli. Mina ngazalelwa empilo eMpophoma mfana.
Empopho. Ubala sempopho.
And I was raised where? In New Valley, Johannesburg. Yes.
so ikube ubiza ngosamamuka
And bafethu mina manje ngayibheka le yayingihlupha le. Yayingihlupha.
Mase angumfana nami sesitrenda sonke.
Yeah, ndabo impilo injalo.
Yeah.
But pick up bafethu ngento eniyenza la ekhasi trying to make a change, njayivisa abantu, giving abantu platform in everything. Into enhle le eniyenza la ekhasi.
Yeah.
Into enhle kakhulu.
And into ebhlungu ukuthi ni
abantu mawenza into ezinhle abazinaki mara yenza icrime manje zozo.
manje 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Ngathi manje ngithatha le camera le. Oho. Ngiyatrenda.
Abantu babona but mawenza something good abantu futhi abayinaki leyo.
Yeah,
abantu bahlezi babheke i-bad side.
Definitely.
Mawenza kuhle akunamuntu obhekile.
Akekho.
Bantu bashaya benza ngathi ababoni mara babheki.
Mara babheki. Yo.
Bayenza kanjani?
Babejonge njani?
siyeza kulokho bafethu wani sihleli singamajita sizibromele sekoneni phuma ugela ukuhamba lo memjita wona ungenzani
No, yazi mina I'd say khuluma nogelo wakho cause ujidaka chavi. Yeah.
Ungamani ushaye out.
Ngashaye out ayicava. Out na yazamela njengomjita. Yeah.
Amabele. Silela amabele.
No.
Acela kanjani?
Everywhere mfethu khona khona.
Wesikasilele bafana bami. Wena.
yeah
Amkhona. Hey, khona abanye abantu banesibaziyo sebaphenduka izifebe sibheki.
Mfethu umntwana bekayi 3 choir mara no sekayi 72 page.
72 page.
Bamncisile.
Bayamnciphisa ngama 11. 70, 76, 40, 30, 12. Yo, ayibhlungu leyo.
Uyayibona leyo nto.
Ayibhlungu.
But my out ka umelanga ulolu ugeli ka. I don't think it's a nice thing, you know. Ugeli ka uyo osuke angacommunicate sakho. Kumele amtshele ngine out. Out yami naya lapha ngine out sesona so. So ungawulokhu ungisondelela. Omunye ugeli ka usana ukuthi umshela avele athatheke nje. Abone ugqoke kahle gqoka ama Nike ugqoke ini. Athatheke.
Yabona uzibonela mina ngizigqokele so kanti akazi ukuthi future it's bright.
Uyabona masidlule emajiteni amajita yiwo lawa sewashaya mina manje ngoba kunjani ngishela ugeli. Obvious mangibona opportunity ngiyayi.
Amlanda ka.
uNkulunkulu akasinikanga la mehlo
Window shopping is for free.
yeah
window shopping. Lalela yakwadi bese sibheka abafazi phela.
bafethu leyasimeni nani ngani ngasiqhubekisa siyaphambili sembuza umbuzo yiwani sithini manje ke kathesi ani sihleli singamajita la thuthi imoto iyapaka lapha ukhethe umjita ilesibhiye fakwe lapha la 7
umjito lesbian.
Okay.
Akazizwa.
umjita ongay sorry bafethu eish ukuthi English not amadala nguwe sabe nesipi vele lebo kwasithathe khona but sithi manje bafethu thuthi umuntu ebele moto la
Sure.
phethe yonke imali la ngumjita la siyachuziswa la samajita hlaba umjita oriyestiwe ejele 7 years machuza siphi story
Imali.
Ibalini qala.
yebafo
Imalini ukhuluma phela mawuthi imali umuntu angavela athi 10 rand
Uyabona
okay bafo nayi 1 million la ngumjita la sibhekile singamajita sonke bathi mkhweli
unika.
Ayi 1 million ka.
1 million.
Hey
No. Uzoyala.
Enika la
I rather be
no.
poor.
I'd rather be poor.
ngizoyenza
cause ngakucambela amanga kawo so yenza into enjalo in front of the public yeah imitha yeah obviously uzohlezi uzaba rich ne mara that thing
mithi yaphela
mara ishame yakho ayipheli awu
imemory
nabantwana bakubabeka
hayi mina thathi trust ifake 200 time did no imitha mina lathi ngoma keep stress sonke yadlala
so wafona ngitshela ukuthi vele usungahamba kusho Colbex
hayi denge
mara kafana ungazuba ejele ngoba uzofika bakushayina ngathi bazofika bakushayina
yabona shuthi the do or die situation do or die situation
so rather what
mina matla nombuzo la
yeah
manje mangene emashop bambiza ngopapa action ngempaba ngaya so amazi kanjani manje
mara kawo
machina zangu vele isimishe problem yenisifa
papa
ngisenjalo wafake
sorry baba
mara yini inspire kawo umuntu ngaso
mina
inspire
vele ukuthi put us vele kuleke starism venkis put us ngabo put us yabo
alright
wangabatshela to expire him
So wena wena mokhuluma gangsterism ukhuluma ngani ngoba manje besikhuluma ngayo gangsterism wena yini yenzayo uthi okay lena into engiyenza le yi gangsterism yami le ngiyenzayo
yeah
yabonani bafo ngasikhuluma gangsterism bafo isimosha bafo itabanye
kakhulu basemajele manje ngawe
utamajele yakhotha umfowethu ukhawadeke sihleli la sibaningi
sure
imali esiphuma sibadanye wena endlini babiza ngoCollins wena babiza ngobani sikwazi ngothi jokes nobani usifiso but nxa uphuma phandle uzinika igama lamanga ngingufiso
ayadelela le
soma wathi sithi ngako
ukuba gangsterism khona
no but he style like
that one sort of a signature name
so na vet man ndibuza la umbuzeni lawo
umbuzo
olula lo kodwa ngapho njani imali suka lapha namajele yachama masini
hayi
kodwa imali isifikela lapha nebadaleni endlini imali ephiwa imali ekhira ngiyani yesicela
sure ngeyani mina bafisho mina ngiyasavela ngithola njoba kuyi last run of my school history bafethu I know ukuthi imali abazali ngeke ngisayithola and then nakhona bengadependela ngebazalini bami ithemba lami bengalibekelanga kubo ngoba ithemba labo balibeke kimi so mina mase ngibeka ithemba lami kubazalini bami kuzoba njani bona ngithi babeka ithemba kimi I'll prove them right
so wena ubona kuyipho kungcono ukuthi ukhethe iphathi gangsterism or ukhethe iphathi yabadala ukuthi ufundise isicelo
mara you know ukuthi gangsterism iyaphilisa this
sure thank you into bengisafuna ukusho and then nakhona mina ngikhuluma ngomzali wami bafethu yabo umzali wami uyangisupporta kule thing eyenzayo mfethu
so masa
thing abazali mele basupport
anything maka angeke azayo obvious angeke avuma ukuthi ngiyobamba umuntu epraise nana mara ukudlala indambula lona imali
so mfethu uyazi vele uthoni yanpause
chama pop vele sikho lapha
ifesi yakho lengane yibona uqineni ukuthi master betting last year
sure bekhuluma umunye umntwana bambiza ngo
ubani ka
ite ukuthi nakhola lapho bukhawuzaza kabayo
ukelwakhe
uzanke spoza kapho
ukelwakhe
shoot my never I'll never must shoot my hand hayi mamela ayishikati dawadi kade siphume lapho kathi wena ugcina nini ukuchaya bas debate njobo boy
mina amna bawamna lokuyishaya
Futhi la namhlanje uyishayile.
Anamhla ngayichaya kungela Vaseline.
Heaven.
Ngiyakufikelela lapha. Ngiyakutshela. Ngala Vaseline
kungela Vaseline endlini ayibani.
Oh okay bafethu on this issue le Vaseline asishiye Vaseline.
Hayi asibaleni so sethula ngenyophi.
Yebo bafethu ngingakayivala i-gangsterism down nabafethu bakhawadika phandle la asikumele into lokho into zama drugs leseni wothi drugs kubeke nabafana basidayivela ezitaradeni
yekelana ukukhama inyoka yekelana inyoka okay bafethu
wena supporting them bayizinto esharp bafethu
Okay.
But man.
Ngifuna ushaya word of the day uzongibuza man. Word of the day. You don't need to know someone to take care of them. Uyangithola?
mina sinakekelani noma ungamazi umuntu
Noma ungamazi umuntu.
shange word of the day bro
Word of the day. Angitiri wogeza lonke ubugeli phandle la. Yanoba.
Hayi mabagezeni la.
Hayi dot.
ukaya mjida shay word of the day
What of the day, Costa?
Yo, word of the day. I ain't gonna let your success talk for you. That's all I can say.
Away, you just heard it for yourself, guys. That's the word of the day. Thank you, Sewonga, for the episode, gents. Sewonga, for the stage. This is Ghost Natola signing out for you, Max Podcast. Sewonga, thank you.
Danko, peace.
Say no to masturbating.